Spyglass Property Inspections. Hope you're all being safe out there. Today we are here doing an inspection in Des Plaines, and if you come and follow me, I want to just show you some illegal wiring to the garage here. So clearly they have some Romex running underneath the ground, feeding into these outlets. Kind of scary when you mow the lawn. You come over here, you're going to see it a couple of times with this illegal wiring running down on the ground all the way over to these other outlets. Proper way that this should be wired, it should be in conduit, and it should be at least 3 feet underground. Brian Foley, Spyglass Property Inspections, a little information on electric. Have a great day, guys.